Hello, and welcome to a quick tutorial on Presents for Meet. Presents for Meet can be installed from the G Suite Marketplace. The link is in the description below. Please note that only a Google administrator can install the app. Once installed, you can open up any Google Sheet or create a new sheet. Once the sheet has loaded, go to the Add-ons menu, Presents for Meet, and import classes. This is a one-time setup where you will need to create a template. So we will give the template a name and add your name, the teacher name, and create template. Please note that your list of templates can be found there or in a Google Drive folder called Presents for Meet. So the template is ready. Once the template has loaded, we can go to Add-ons, Presents for Meet, Import Classes. This will allow us to import data from our Google Classrooms. So you will be presented with a list of all your Google Classrooms. For this demo, we will pick the math class, but you can pick all of the classes if you wish, and click Import. What the import process consists of is creating a new sheet at the bottom. Please do not rename any of the sheet tabs at the bottom. These are your Google Classroom information, which contains student names and student emails and parent and guardian information if available. So here we have our math class is imported. We can close this now. We notice that we have our students in the class, their emails, and over here we will need to enter our first Meet code. We have no Meets. So once you have a Google Meet, you'll notice that it has a Google Meet link with a code at the bottom here or at the top. So I have some Google Meets that we have created. So I will copy the code and paste it here, and copy the Meet date and paste it there. And now we go to Add-ons, Presents for Meet, Update Attendance. From here, we will select our math class and update the class. The date portion here is not necessary. You can leave it blank. However, if you have multiple Google Meets on multiple days, it's important to include the date so that the app knows which Meet information and on which date. So there you go. So we have only one person present on the first Meet. They were there for 2 minutes. Notice it has a total here. And they were present 100% of the time. So what we can do is we can add additional Meets as they happen. And again, update class. So as it's updating, you will notice that the total Meets here have changed as well. So we are calculating totals for 3 Google Meets. This column here will tell you out of the 3 how many that student was present for, the percentage that they were present, and the total minutes that they were present in the total sum of all Google Meets. So there you go. So in our second Meet, we see that these 2 students were present and so forth. So we can see that this particular student has not been present at all, but the other students have. We are in the process of creating a report system which will allow teachers to create a Google Doc or email parents in PDF format a summary of all of these totals for Google Meets for these students. So look out for that. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find out when that update is available. Thank you for watching.